Right here.
I know. Don't do that to her. That's her arm. It just went away. There it is. Baby Emma's.
Today, may I show you new kata. Okay. First, lead with left foot, right punch.
That's your daddy smoking cigarettes because he's mean.
Judy-san, follow.
He's a bad daddy. That third hand smoke's gonna kill you.
Oh my God.
You hear that? We heard about third hand smoke in birthing class.
This time,
All because it doesn't want to go outside in the snow.
I'm about to throw your big ass out in the snow.
You're such a dick. We're watching The Karate Kid. That's Hillary Skank. This is your daddy's mess that he likes to make next to the couch.